Have you ever pondered what it takes to stand before an audience and deliver a message that resonates, a message that inspires and changes lives? The journey to becoming an esteemed speaker is as unique as the individuals who embark on it, yet there are certain steps that can guide anyone towards this fulfilling goal. The first step is identifying your niche and message. This means choosing a topic you're passionate about. Passion is the fuel that drives speakers. It's the spark that lights up your words and engages your audience. Once you have your topic, it's crucial to define a clear message. What is it exactly that you want to communicate? What change do you want to bring about through your words? After identifying your niche and message, it's time to educate yourself. Research extensively, stay informed, and become an expert in your chosen field. Knowledge is power, and in the world of public speaking, it's your most valuable asset. Developing strong communication skills is the next step in your journey. This includes practicing active listening, which can help you understand your audience and respond to their needs. Expanding your vocabulary is also important, as it allows you to express your thoughts more precisely and effectively. Consider joining organizations like Toastmasters, where you can benefit from a supportive learning environment. Once you've honed your skills, it's time to gain practical experience. Start with small engagements and record your speeches for review. This will allow you to see where you excel and where you need to improve. As you gain experience, work on developing a unique style. Find your authentic voice and don't be afraid to use humor when appropriate. Building an online presence is another essential step. Create a website or blog where you can share your insights and connect with your audience. Leverage social media to engage with your followers and spread your message. Networking with other speakers can provide invaluable opportunities for growth and collaboration. Attend events and conferences, and don't hesitate to collaborate with other speakers. Seek feedback and strive for continuous improvement. Request constructive feedback from your peers and audience, and use it as a tool for learning and growth. Pursue speaking opportunities actively. Submit proposals to relevant events and offer to speak at local organizations. Familiarize yourself with virtual speaking platforms, as they can provide additional opportunities to reach your audience. Market yourself by creating a professional speaker profile and promoting your engagements on various platforms. Remember, it's normal to feel nervous before a speech. Practice relaxation techniques to manage your nervousness and deliver your best performance. Stay persistent and patient, as success takes time. After each performance, take the time to reflect, evaluate, and adjust your approach based on the feedback you receive. In summary, becoming an effective speaker is a journey of passion, education, practice, networking, and continuous improvement. It's about finding your unique voice and using it to inspire and change lives. It's a journey that requires patience, persistence, and the courage to step into the spotlight and share your message with the world.